everyone, this is Ridha Khan and welcome to Ridha's Kitchen on Zaiqa World Asian TV Cooking, powered by TV99. And like you know, I bring you a new recipe for all of you, and I get a hold of a chef, and the chef gives us a brand new recipe, a great dish to make for all of us, which is easy. Our plan is to make the meal extremely easy and simple for us, and I try to simplify it for you as much as I can with the ingredients and with the method, and voila, at the end of it we have a really nice tasty South Asian dish to eat. So before we start, I just wanted to tell you that in case you're allergic to any ingredients or you're not sure about being allergic to any ingredient, please check with your GP beforehand and before making any of these recipes. This recipe is quite an interesting one today because it's got a funky name. It's called Tasty and Spicy Gobi 65. So we're making cauliflower. A lot of people are doing all types of diets and a low carb, high protein diet. A lot of people are vegetarian, so this is a great vegetarian dish. So if you're vegetarian or you want to cut down on your meat intake, or you would like to spice up a cauliflower, you can. Some people also have it raw. But if you would like to spice it up and make a dish out of it, make a meal out of it, so this is a great recipe for you. And for the students, for everyone who may be living by themselves or wanting to just make a nice meal for themselves. So let's start. First of all, we will have pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. Then we have cauliflower, 2 cups cut like branches. And we have garam masala, 1 teaspoon, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, green chili 6. So this is going to be very spicy. Like I said, this is a spicy gobi, and it's going to be spicy because we've got all of these masalas, powders, and 6 green chilies. Turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon, red food color, a pinch of that, and gram flour, 2 tablespoons, rice flour, 2 tablespoons, corn flour, 2 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste. This is quite a secret ingredient in a lot of people's kitchen, this ginger garlic paste. They love to put this in all different dishes, and it really gives that oomph to the dish. So this is quite an important ingredient. And ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons, curry leaves and cilantro, 2 bunches. We would also need oil for a deep fry. Now, the method for this is to take a bowl, add gram flour, which is besan, and add rice flour, add corn flour, and then add pepper powder, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. With this, we also have salt, and we have to add a salt to taste. So as I said, salt is not so great for us, so minimum as possible. Add garam masala, chopped curry leaves, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, mix well. Now we've got all of this together. Now we need to mix it very well. Add food color of a pinch, mix well, add water. Paste should be like an orange color, and add water for consistency. And place the frying pan with some water, and we add salt. And then we drop the chopped cauliflower. Now we're getting the secret ingredient in the chopped cauliflower, the main ingredient. And we cook until, and now a tip for this, until we know when it's well cooked, is when the raw smell disappears. So when the raw smell disappears, we cook until the raw smell disappears, and we remove and we keep it aside. We have a non-stick bowl, and we add oil for deep fry. We heat the oil, and then we dip boiled cauliflower pieces in the masala 65 paste. So now your paste has a name. It's called masala 65. We put in the heated oil, and then we fry it to a red color. Now after we've done all these steps, we're finally getting to it, and we repeat the same. And we fry the green chilies, and for garnish, which will be important, we fry curry leaves for flavor. So the green chilies for garnish, so it's not all gonna go in at the same time. The curry leaves for flavor. Then we take a serving bowl, and we garnish it with green chilies and these curry leaves, and we serve. Now, you can serve this dish with rice and sambar. So this is a great dish. I quickly would, this is a really great dish, and we can easily go make this. We can make this with rice, we can make it with garam masala, and we've got all these different masalas and pastes and to make it nice and spicy. So this is a great one that we can use. So we will be using this 65 paste and 65 cauliflower, and also known as gobi, and I hope you enjoy it with your rice, with your bread. It doesn't necessarily have to be with rice and sambar. So this is Ridha Khan, and thank you for watching. A review of the ingredients for tasty and spicy gobi 65 would be pepper powder 1 teaspoon, cauliflower 2 cups branches, garam masala 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, green chili, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, red food color pinch of it, gram flour 2 tablespoons, rice flour 2 tablespoons, corn flour 2 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons, curry leaves and cilantro 2 bunches, oil, salt,